The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a redesigned titanium frame, lighter yet more durable than previous stainless steel models, with significantly reduced bezels for a striking edge-to-edge display. The traditional mute switch has been replaced with customizable action buttons, akin to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, allowing users to assign various functions like flashlight control and camera access. Additionally, the device now supports USB Type-C, offering potential USB 3.0 compatibility for faster data transfer. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 maintains its folding design, but improves the hinge mechanism for a flush, gap-free closure. It offers a larger unfolded screen but is thicker and heavier compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone introduces new metallic shades and retains its IP68 water and dust resistance, while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers IPX8 water protection. Both devices feature impressive displays with high refresh rates, with the iPhone continuing with Super Retina XDR OLED and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 maintain its dynamic AMOLED 2X screens. Biometric unlocking methods differ, with the iPhone relying solely on Face ID while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and 2D picture-based face unlock. In terms of performance, the iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts the new Apple A17 Pro chip with improved GPU and hardware ray tracing support, while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip. Both phones offer ample storage options, with the iPhone ranging from 256 gigs to 1 TB and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 offering 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 TB variants. Software-wise, the iPhone 15 Pro Max ships with iOS 17, while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 runs Android 13 with One UI 5.11. Camera improvements are notable on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with a more capable 48-megapixel camera offering customizable focal lengths and enhanced Smart HDR. Conversely, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 maintains a similar camera setup to its predecessor, emphasizing performance over camera prowess. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.